Hey, what's up guys? All right, we're down at the Mackay Expo and we're just about to unveil the new products to our range. Guys, let me introduce you to the new AIKO solar panel. With its unique ABC all-back contact shade technology, this panel outperforms just about anything in the market. And let me show you how. What we've got, guys, is we've got two sets of work lights demonstrating the performance of the solar panel and the effects of shade on traditional solar panels. We've got these panels wired to electric pumps, and as you can see, both pumps are running at full efficiency with the panels unshaded. Now, with our shade technician, Mr. Gurkhan, can we please demonstrate some shading that may occur? So what you're seeing here, guys, is as we move shade across the solar panels, just lift them up. You can see just run them up and down slowly. Traditional solar panels are limited with their shade abilities, and the effects of shade on a solar panel vary between make and model. But now I want to bring you across to our AIKO solar panel, the all-back contact solar panel. The effects of shade on this solar panel So we now have the same shading that we've just seen across the Jinko solar panel, and that pump is still running. But if that's not enough proof for you guys, let's cover the damn thing up. Guys, we just cannot stop this solar panel from producing. Guys, we can completely cover more than 50% of this solar panel. As you can see, we've had minimal disruption to solar energy. Guys, we can cover more than 50% of this solar panel, and you can see it's had minimal effect on production of this unit. All-back contact and ABC technology in solar panels will be the game changer to our industry. If you want to get some information on the new AIKO solar panel, reach out to SnapSolar today.